Okay, welcome back, guys. This is IPT, and we are watching the Happy Students. So this is EUR USD. This is just an update on this pair. Remember, if you check my previous post, the last time we did this analysis, it was within here. It was here. I think it was here, and we are still expecting the market to come here. We are still expecting this market to come here. Meanwhile, remember what I said concerning this pair. I said that if EUR USD is, as long as it's still under this zone, under this support, under this resistance, is the market is still pointing towards the downside. The market is still going to come here. But you know, if the market is about to make a big move, because this is a very massive move, this is forward time frame, this is a big move, the market will not just come one way and come here. You know, it will come, pull back, come, pull back, and all that. So now you see that, see this zone, the market has been respecting this zone all the way from here, all the way from here. The market has been respecting this zone. This was our initial target, but it didn't work out. So from here, then, for I think that was a week ago or thereabouts, we took this thread from here, and I held the market until here. So I closed it, but then I said I was expecting this head and shoulder. I was expecting this to form, maybe to come here, like for it to range here before we then buy, before we then sell, expecting it to come here. But you see what happened, the market didn't waste time there, it continued. Now, so after this, the market pull back and respect this zone again. So now see what happens here. When I saw this, you know, if I did not enter this market, I don't enter this one, but when I saw this big bullish candle, I know that the market may not, let me not say will not, because it's all about probability. The market may not continue to go down. So I was hoping to see what will happen. So you see this market pull back, but I did not buy throughout all these things. I did not buy. But you know, if you are in 1 or in 15, if you don't do your analysis in the bigger time frame, if you are in 15 minutes time frame or 30 minutes, many people might have bought this. You know, some people will make money buying it. You know, all these scalpers, you know, they'll make money buying it. But the reason why I don't buy this, because I know that the general movement of the market is a downtrend, and based on my analysis, I'm not a scalper. I want to take a trade that I will have peace. I can take it and be doing other things. So see what happens. Even when I see all this, even when I see this, you know, this may be like, someone may say this is hammer or something like that. So even all these things, I was waiting patiently to see what will happen here. For me to buy this pair, in any, the only condition or the only thing that will happen for me to buy EUR USD is if it break this zone, we test it and show me a sign of a bullish candle. That is when I'm going to buy this candle, this pair. But see what happened. After all this candle came, it came here, it was unable to pass here. It was even unable to close here. So it came here, it closed. As you can see, this kind of hanging man. So I entered this market with this candle. After this candle, I entered this market with this candle. So I was holding this market from here to here. So I did not continue with this. So I closed it with this because I was trying to respect this. I'm not that 100% sure it will continue to come down. But see what is happening now at the market. So now the market, today is Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday. So let's check if we have any news at the moment. Let's check if we have news today. So if you check, we have news by 2 p.m. 2 p.m. today. We have news today. We have news by 6 p.m. Okay, so now because of this news, see what I'm anticipating to happen. The market may now, you know, you don't in forex industry or in this market, you don't do what you think. You do what you see, or you say, I think this will happen, and you take a trade based on what you think. No, you may think, okay, I think this will happen. If this thing I'm thinking happens, then I will do this. That is how I take my trade. So now, because of the news by 2:30 and 8 o'clock, I think, okay, 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. because of this news, see what I'm hoping to happen. This market, this particular candle now may not make any move as any good move, maybe to come here. It may be ranging here, you know, just go up, go down, go up, go down. Then during the news, there may be a big spike to continue the diversion. Or during the first news by 2 o'clock, it may come up here a little bit, or it may even come up here a little bit. Then within the news, the candle may just come down, the candle may just die off, and it will close as a bearish candle. Then during the 6 p.m. news, the market will continue to come down. You know, I don't take the trade during the news just because I want to capture the news, because some people during news they will buy and sell at the same time, so I don't do that. So if the news should start maybe by 1:55, which is 5 minutes to the news, let's say if the structure of the market is still in this form, then I'm going to sell this market. By then my stop loss will be here. Then I'm going to enter here, anticipating it to come here. But for now, what I'm going to do in order to be safe is I'm not going to do anything for now, because I have already picked this. I don't want to waste it because of the news. So I'm going to be patient to see how the first news, which is the news of 2 p.m. to see how the news will work out. So then the news that I may enter will be the 6:30 news. Pay attention to the word I use. I may enter. So, you know, I'm not giving you signal, I'm just trying to show you what the market is trying to picture out. So if you see this market is a very big is a downtrend, and you can call this head and shoulder, and the head. Meanwhile, let's come to one daily time frame to see what we have there. Okay, you see the daily time frame now? This is kind of head and shoulder. You see, this candle just come here to fulfill this, just to come here. You see, if I should bring this zone a little bit down, you will see, but I'm going to leave it there. So now you can see that this market is pointing towards this direction. So the news, what may happen in the first news, maybe this candle may just come up here, it may close here like this candle, it may close like this candle. Okay, for the news of 2 o'clock. Then during the other news, it will continue to come down. But now my bias is still pointing towards the downside of the market. So for now, I'm not going to take any trade for now. I'm going to wait after the news, which is by 2. Then what I see after the news will then determine what I'm going to do. So I hope that after the news, the market will just pull back a little bit during the news. Then after the news, then I will enter this market. If I should enter it, my stop loss should be here and my take profit will be here. So I will do another analysis within the news, so we will know what to do. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and anticipate to receive and turn on your notification bell so that you will receive notification once I post the updates concerning this pair. Okay, thank you so much, and drop a comment section if this video makes sense to you.